have it to believe that all Jamaicans smoke and all Jamaicans are Rasta.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so this morning I'm off to work. You see it, so I live close by from work, so I usually used to ride the bicycle before I had my license, you know. And one of the things why I'm not riding the bicycle at the moment is because the morning them get really cold, and today is the second day of winter. You see it, so we're now in June. You see me, so it's really cold for riding at the early morning them, I know. So the good thing is that I got my license in time for winter, so I can actually drive to work. You see it, so that's a good thing. I did a video yesterday which I was just going back to work on lunchtime. Yes, I'll show you guys that video after this. Yeah, my peeps, so right now after 11 and I'm heading home because yeah, now my Friday shift have changed. I no longer get full days, so half day work. So heading home to my family, I know, you see it. Yeah man, beautiful sun out, you know. This morning it cold like ice. Yeah man. Yeah, that's what it is, you know what I mean? So yeah man, let me know what you guys wanna see from me. What kind of video content. I haven't got stopped driving solo as yet, you know, because you know in Australia they do drug testing a lot here. You know, it's a common thing when you get pulled over. You know, you get tested for, can get tested for what? You get tested for alcohol, you get tested for drugs, whether it be marijuana and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm not have to worry about them things because I'm not a drinker or a smoker. You know, when I tell people that in Australia, them say a lie, me I tell, because they have it to believe that all Jamaicans smoke and all Jamaicans are Rasta. Like, I've heard these things before, but actually being here, like, hearing people actually say that and like believe that everyone is Rasta in Jamaica, and everyone thinks that Jamaica is all laid back, everyone is laid back. Like, there's so much stories, guys, I can get into about what people think about Jamaica, and I think I'll do that video, you know, so let me know. Yes, right guys, so I'm here going to work. Well, just going back after lunch, you see me, because I live close by. I get like 45-minute lunch time. So heading home. What am I saying, heading home? I mean, I'm heading back to work now, you see it. So yeah guys, hope you all are having a wonderful day. You see me? Yeah man, it's a beautiful day out. Sun is hot, the morning them cool going to work. But if you guys wanna hear some stories about work, that's something I can do. So yeah, and also guys, I plan to do like a video of just walking around the streets, showing you guys, because I've never really shown you guys casino. Like, we have shown you snippets of the town and stuff, but never like really walk the streets and things. And also for me to get familiar as well too, because trust me guys, I don't know these streets as much as this town is small, because I don't go many places, you see. Yeah, you can call it me maroon. Yeah man, so yeah guys, if you guys wanna see that, let me know. Yeah. It feels good. Feels good to be driving, guys. Like, at first I was really nervous. Now I'm very comfortable on the road. You see it, and I have my license, I drive solo, so that's an achievement right buy a car. Yeah, going for a second hand. Yeah, something small. I don't want nothing too big enough. My first car, you see it. So peeps, they are head home now. You see it. This is 3 hours later. Yeah, man, I head home after I work. Yeah, tired I know. You see it. Yeah, man. You guys can see on the left there. That's a cemetery. Yeah. But I think I can tell you about Australia. You'll see people in their car more than how you see them on the street. Like, people don't walk the street, yo. It's very important to have a car here in Australia, you know. Yeah, definitely, especially in this country town, you know. If you live in like the big city, there's so much transportation. You have train, you have tram, you have, you know, Uber and all of that. There's Uber here, but you know, it's not I think it's not a 24-hour service, if I'm correct. Yeah, so there's limited options of moving around, and if you do take the Uber, it's very expensive, because I've taken a Uber once, and trust me, yeah, the money run up on the meter like crazy, you know. So it's not a joke thing, guys. Yeah, man. So you might see one or few people on the street, but not a lot. You don't see people hanging out like a Jamaican. You have like the corner shops, and you know, people play a domino or play some kind of game, you know. Yeah, these places you mainly see people hanging out at the pub. You see me? So yeah, Australians love to drink. Yeah, man, every weekend after work you'll find them drinking or watching some footy. They call their football. Yeah. So that tomorrow. So my hours have changed now. So now I actually get to see the sunrise during the morning. Usually I'll be going to work at 5. So it's dark, but now I go to work at 7. No, usually I used to go to work at 6, but now I go to work at 7, so I get to see the sunrise in the morning, which is really beautiful.